Namaskar. Eating vegetables has many benefits. But did you know that nutrition value of each type of vegetable changes? It changes with how it's prepared and served. Curiously, some vegetables are actually healthier when they are cooked. When you cook certain vegetables, they release compounds that are more available to your body. This does not happen when they are consumed raw. Here are 5 vegetables that should be cooked before eating. First is tomato. Cooked tomatoes have significantly higher level of lycopene than raw ones. This happens because the heat helps to break down the stubborn cell walls, which contain a number of important nutrients. Lycopene is one of the most powerful antioxidants available. It can help to prevent cardiovascular disease and cancer. Tomatoes can be cooked by steaming, boiling, or roasting to make them release their nutritional value. Next is spinach. Cooked spinach has more calcium, magnesium, and iron. Steaming spinach can reduce its oxalic acid, which interferes with our body's absorption of iron and calcium. Steaming ensures that spinach retains its level of folate, an important B vitamin. Folate not only plays the role of making DNA, but also can reduce the risk of several types of cancer. After spinach comes red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and are a great source of antioxidants, especially carotenoids. Exposure to heat breaks down the cell walls, which makes carotenoid easier for our body to absorb. Lightly stir fry the bell pepper until they are tender crisp instead of boiling or steaming, so that they will retain more of their nutrients. Next, we have cruciferous vegetables. Cooking cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage helps them release indole, which is an organic compound that can fight off precancerous cells. Eating cruciferous vegetables raw may cause digestive problems in some people. To get their maximum nutritional benefits, these cruciferous vegetables can be steamed or boiled with little water. And lastly, we come to a popular salad item, carrots. Steaming carrot may help them release carotenoids, which is an antioxidant which helps in overall immune system. So you see, raw carrots are fine, but cooked carrots are better. Now that you know why these 5 vegetables are best when they are cooked, include them in your diet by preparing them well and get more health benefits. Namaskar.